to my channel. I'm Will Russell and this is WR Guitar. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to play Let It Be by the Beatles on acoustic guitar. So without further ado, let's get learning. Okay, so starting with the verse then, we're going to jump in on a C chord. So I'll explain these chords as we go through the verse. We're going to be using our first finger into the first fret of the B, which is 5th from the top. We're going to be using our second finger in 2nd fret of the D, which is 3rd from the top. And we're going to be using our third finger into 3rd fret of the A, which is 5th from the top. When we strum the majority of these chords, we're going to be using a 2-strum milling pattern, which means you're going to strum and count 2 beats, and then you're going to strum again. Now, the strum actually counts as 1 beat, so it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. We're then going to move to the G chord. First finger, 2nd fret on A, that's 2nd from the top. Second finger, 3rd fret on the low E, which is the top string, and 3rd or 4th finger into 3rd fret of the high E, which is 6th string from the top. 2 strums again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving to the A minor chord next, we're only going to do 1 strum here. First finger, 1st fret on the B. Second finger, 2nd fret on the D. And 3rd finger, 2nd fret on the G. Missing out the top string when we strum this. We're going to hit 1 strum. We're then going to do an A minor 7 chord, which is where we take just the 3rd finger off, leaving the 1st and 2nd on, strumming everything but the top string again. So we've got 1 strum on A minor, 1 strum on A minor 7, and then we're going to move to the F chord. So for the F chord, we're going to be using our first finger, and we're going to be trying to cover both the 1st frets of the 5th and 6th string, which is the B and the E string. We're then going to use our second finger in the 2nd fret of the G, which is 4th from the top. 3rd finger, 3rd fret of A, which is 2nd from the top, and then tucking our little finger in underneath in the 3rd fret of D, which is 3rd from the top. Missing out that E string, we're going to be going for 2 minim strums again. So here's our top line of the verse. All the chords are to the left of me. Here we go. 2 strums on C, 2 strums on G, 1 on A minor, 1 on A minor 7, and 2 on F. The second line of the verse, we're going to start on that C chord again for 2 strums. Move to the G for 2 strums, and now we're going to go and throw in a little riff. So we're going to go to the F chord for 1 strum, and then we're going to play just the 2nd fret of the D, that's the 3rd string from the top, by itself, 1 pick. Then we're going to take our finger off and play that string again, so an open D, and then we're going to jump onto a C chord. So here's the second line. Okay, so the chorus, we're going to be using all the same chords that we've already used in the verse, just in a brand new order. So starting on our A minor chord again, we're going to go for 2 strums. We're then going to move to G for 2 strums. And then an F, and then a C. So here it is again. A minor, G, F, and then C. The second line of the chorus starts on that C again, so you're going to keep the C on. C for 2 strums, G for 2 strums, And then we're going to use that riff we had in verse F, 2nd fret D, open D, and then C. So here's the verse and chorus put together. I'm going to go through the verse twice and then I'll be going through the chorus once. Here we go. So there we have it, that was Let It Be by the Beatles. I do hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today, and if you have, then please subscribe to WR Guitar today. Check out the rest of my videos, and if you've got any suggestions at all, find me on Instagram at WR Guitarist, or drop them in the comment box below. I will see you next time.